In this video, we will explain you everything you need to know about 3D printing, starting with the very basics. So, what is a 3D printing? 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process that creates a physical object from a digital design. There are different 3D printing technologies and the materials you can print with, but all are based on the same principle. A digital model is turned into a solid three-dimensional physical object by adding material layer by layer.
Three-D printing technology is already changing the way we produce objects, from tools and toys to clothing, even the body parts. The first step in 3D printing is create a blueprint of the object you want to print. You can use modeling software like Blender to create your own design. Once you have a finished design, it's time to send it to the printer. When the printer receives the data, it pulls the material through a tube, melts it, and deposits it to the plate where it instantly cools. Printer will add one layer of the object at a time until you have a fully formed structure. The most common material used in 3D printing is plastic.
Advantages of 3D printing. 3D printing advantages are digital object storage, digital object delivery, more local manufacturing, reduced materials wastage, increased customization.
To help demonstrate the possible impact of 3D printing, let's consider how people buy shoes. Today, when somebody wants some new footwear, they usually go to a store, gather together in this location or a predetermined number of styles and sizes from which they can choose. All these shoes have previously been manufactured in distant factories in the hope that somebody one day may want to buy them. Now let's consider what may happen in the future. We'll have been traveling to a store. Customer may go online, select design, color, material and size, and then print out their shoes on a personal 3D printer in their own home.
Who is using 3D printing? One of the greatest things about 3D printing is that it can be beneficial for anyone, regardless of industry or profession. Here we collected some common examples to show how people use 3D printing and why they choose the technology as their preferred prototyping or manufacturing method for specific use cases. 3D printing is used in car manufacturers, doctors, dentists, prop makers, designers, architects, students, engineers, and the consumer product makers.